Now formatting. First, we will add the label. LABS label. Here, x-axis denote body ACIGS body height in centimeter. Y-axis denote density. Density. Sometimes I use one quotation, sometimes two quotation, no problem. So if we run, yeah, this is our body height and density. So we can remove the background, theme classic. Yeah, so this is our histogram. So we can modify our access text or label text, etc. using theme command, theme access title. Already I've discussed in the uh, box plot, so I can give example theme. For example, if we like to modify the title, axis title, axis title. So there are two axes. One is x-axis, one is y-axis, but we will do both axes. Elementary text. For example, face will be bold. So using this procedure, we can modify all things.